Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Hidayah. We meet again. How is it going? Are you ready for today's English lesson, Year 3, Module 4, Year in, Year out? Let's get started. Before we start, ready your Get Smart +3 book and turn to page 42. Page 42. We are going to read a story called The Snow Globe. Do you know what this is? What do you think the story will be about? Okay, so you are going to listen to the CD and then you can read along. Are you ready?
Module 4. Story time. Activity 1. Listen and read. The Snow Globe.
It's Saturday morning. It's hot and sunny. Mandy and Mike are playing on the beach. Jane is windsurfing. Jim is swimming.
What's your favourite season, Mike? Summer, of course.
What's that?
Jim finds a snow globe. He shows it to Mandy and Mike.
It's very pretty.
What have you got there? Let me see.
Jane wants to see the snow globe too, but
Okay. Can you name the sport you recognize? So, they are windsurfing, swimming, or diving here. Okay. Where are the children? They are at the beach. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's sunny and warm. What are they wearing? What are they wearing? They are wearing shorts and t-shirts. Shorts and t-shirts. What season is it? What season is it? It's summer. Okay, now let's continue.
the children aren't on the beach now. It isn't sunny. It's snowing and it's cold.
Where are we?
We're in the snow globe.
The children are playing in the snow. They're making a snowman.
This is fun.
I love the winter. It's my favorite season.
Jane is skiing.
Be careful, Jane.
Jane, are you okay?
Yes. Where am I?
On the beach, silly. Where do you think?
Okay. So, can you name the sport or activities you recognize? making a snowman, yes, making a snowman, and skiing. Are the children on the beach now? Are the children on the beach now? No, they aren't. What what's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's cold and it's snowing. What are they wearing? They are wearing coats, jackets, winter hats, scarves, and gloves. Okay, so does this story happen just like what you think it is? Okay, so now let's talk about what happens in each frame. So the first one, Mandy, this is Mandy, Mike, and Jane is windsurfing, are on the beach. Mandy and Mike are playing, and Jane is windsurfing. Jim is swimming and he sees something shiny under the water. Okay, frame number 2. Jim is out of the water, now holding the object he's found. He's holding the object. It's a snow globe. Mike and Mandy are there to see what Jim has found. Jane has got out of the water and is rushing over to see too. Frame number 3. Just as Jane reaches her friends, she trips over a rock. So this is a rock. She trips over and knocks the snow globe out of Jim's hand. Knocks it out. Then something strange happens. The children are sucked into a vortex. Next. The children are no longer on the beach. They are in the snow globe. It's snowing and the children are wearing different clothes. The children are enjoying themselves. Jim, Mike, and Mandy are making a snowman. Jane is skiing. Suddenly, Jane loses control as she is skiing down a slope and she falls off a cliff. She falls off. Last one. Jane is back at the beach now. Her friends are standing around her looking worried. Jane wonders where she is. Mandy tells her that they are on the beach. Jane is confused. Why is she wearing a glove? What do you think about it? Okay, so let's look at the value. Each season has got its own beauty. So no matter whether it's summer, winter, autumn, or spring, each season has got its own beauty. Not all people like the same season. What is your favorite season? Okay, now let's answer the questions. So what day is it? What day is it? It's Saturday. Number 2, what's Mike's favorite season? Do you remember what Mike's favorite season? Yes, it's summer. Number 3, what are Mandy and Mike doing? Mandy and Mike are playing on the beach. Number 4, what is Jane doing? She is windsurfing. Number 5, what is Jim doing? He is swimming. Okay, continue. Number 1, frame number 2. What does Jim find? Jim finds a snow globe. Who does he show the snow globe to? He shows it to Mike and Mandy. Okay, frame number 3. Does Jane see the snow globe? No, she doesn't. Next. Frame number 4. Where are the children? They are in the snow globe. Number 5. Frame number 5. What are the children doing? They are making a snowman. So, whose favorite season is the winter? Who do you think? Jim's favorite winter. Jim's favorite season is the winter. Okay, frame number 6. What is Jane doing? Jane is skiing. Yes, correct. Okay, last frame, number 7. Is Jane okay? Yes, she is. And number 2, where are the children? They are on the beach. Okay. So, do you understand the story? First, they are on the beach and they are playing on the beach, windsurfing and swimming. Suddenly, they found a snow globe, and out of nowhere, they are in the snow globe, and it's snowing and it's cold. So they are making snowman, and Jane is skiing, and she falls off the slope, and suddenly they are back on the beach. But Jane is wearing a glove. I wonder whether it's true or not. Okay, let's continue. So this is your task for today. The question is, where would you like to go if you found a magic globe? If you found a magic globe, where would you like to go? So write your name and class. You draw the snow globe like this, and then inside the circle here, you draw the place where would you like to go. You draw what represent the place, whether it's a food, flag, or the anything that represent the place. For example, if Malaysia, we have KLCC, or if you want to go to Paris, you have the, what do you call that building in Paris? Draw anything that represent the place. So here, down here is the title, the name of the place that you want to go. And then this one here, you have to write sentences. Okay, maybe you can write, if I found a magic globe, I would like to go to Paris because I want to see. Okay, what do you want to see there? Okay, there is an example. So you can write whatever you want. Okay, if you have any problem, you just text me. I will provide the example later in the Telegram group. So that's all for today. See you next lesson. Bye.